Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make UGC items in Roblox. First, you need to understand the program's requirements and ensure you meet the eligibility criteria. Next, gather your 3D modeling software, like Blender, and familiarize yourself with its basic functions. Finally, begin preparing your first simple 3D model, focusing on clean geometry and proper scaling for Roblox. This foundational work is crucial for a smooth creation process. Now, let's dive into designing your item. Use your 3D software to craft a unique model, keeping in mind Roblox's aesthetic. Pay close attention to technical specifications, such as polygon count and mesh limits, to ensure compatibility. Once your model is complete, apply high-quality textures and materials. This step is vital for making your item visually appealing and professional, attracting more potential buyers. With your design ready, it's time to upload it to Roblox Studio. Import your finished 3D model, ensuring all parts and textures transfer correctly. Next, configure the item's properties, setting its type, category, and initial price. Finally, and most importantly, thoroughly test your item in various game environments. This helps identify any issues with scaling, collision, or appearance before it goes live. After successful testing, you're ready to sell and promote your UGC item. Strategically set a competitive price that reflects its quality and market demand. Actively promote your creation on social media, Roblox groups, and other relevant communities to reach a wider audience. Remember, visibility is key to sales. Also, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.